Take two. The stupid smartphone doesn't want to record beyond 13 minutes, so I have to start a new video. That's just lovely. It has to do with US law or EU law. Anything that can record beyond 13 minutes, it's considered a video recorder and has additional tax. So that's just lovely. Let's see. Where do I put some of this glue? Oh yes, it seems to be fine. So let's push it out and we'll probably need more. Maybe. I have another stick here. So how shall I do it? I'll put some down there to be under the plug. I push the plug in and then put some on top. That's a better plan. But I have to act quickly. Like that. Push it in. Like that. And on top. Like that. Like that. Oh boy, not good. But I can cut it off later. It came too close to the active part, to the plug part. Let's put some more there. And some more here. To hold the cable. Yes. Glue it to the table. Okay. I need some more here. Oh, just a bit more. Okay. It seems okay now. So it will just have to cool down. And then hopefully it will separate from the plastic. But if it doesn't separate, I'll have a big plug here. It's easier to hold and pull, and it will hold the cable better. So it's not a big problem if I can't separate it. So let's see, like 1 minute. Watching paint dry. So yeah, if you're wondering why my glue is so sparkly, it's because the cheapest glue available. And it's not conductive. It has just small metal particles, I think. I didn't even check. It's probably metal. But they don't touch. Two particles almost never touch inside the glue. So it's non-conductive, mostly. I checked. Not scientifically, but with a multimeter and in a few situations. This is kind of funny. This is probably a waste product from something. That's why it's so cheap. Silicone, bad quality silicone, and some sparkly shit. Oh yes, the price is 20 pieces cost $1. 20 of these. 7mm thick and 10cm long. Yes, 10. It's $1. 20 of these. 20? Yep, 20 of these. Okay, and there are also sorts of colors. I hope it's not radioactive. This is still hot, but let's try to pry it. It is holding so well. This is hard. Okay, you can see on the side where it's whiter that it's separated. So with enough force, and maybe I'll wait a bit. Okay, I'll just show you how I cut down the excess with a cutter. It's simple. This is important to be functional because this won't let it go into the phone or something you want to charge. So you definitely want to cut away some of it. Wait, zoom out. So cut away. Focus. Just push it until it hits the metal. And then pry it, pull it or something. The glue is actually holding on to the blade and doesn't let it go in. That is really interesting. I never tried stabbing silicone, but I guess I win. Okay, enough is exposed. Let's cut down this part. It's a mess over here. But I can make it look nicer if I heat it up again a bit with the tip of the glue gun. Without glue, just the tip. I can go over it and it will smooth it out. So let's see a phone. It goes in without a problem. Maybe I have to cut a bit here, just a little bit, but this will depend on the phone. Some phones don't require so long, too long, adequately long. Plugs. Let's see now. Okay, now it fits. So, here you go. I have now a almost 1.5 meter charger cable with a salvaged plug from another defective cable, so I didn't have to throw it out. And I also have another USB plug for other projects. Cool.